Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Anyway, I'm going to kick it off like this. Two brothers were shot and killed while playing a game of dominoes at a shop in the community of Burn Savannah in Westmoreland on Saturday night. They have been identified as 44-year-old auto mechanic Damian Powell, otherwise called Donkey, and 42-year-old businessman Colin Gary Daly, both from the community. My wisdom warriors, I don't know exactly why it happened. I don't know really what go down. All me know say, me see it in the article, and then say two of them, only one picture me have, but it said two brothers shot dead while them did a play domino. You see what me I tell you now about? You see what me tell you now about this killing? Killing now reduce, crime now reduce, crime a go up every single day. The amount of people we are dead. Seriously, something need to be done. You know, so me always come out and say that. Yeah, but then again, I'm saying this. I see them put out, I see the JCF them put out things and I say crime are reduced and all these things. Again in the article. I don't know what's wrong with them. Seriously. I just want to say rest in peace to these two brothers, and my condolence goes out to the family. Hear this. Transport Authority Managing Director Ralston Smith has strongly condemned what he says is the worrying trend of scammers using the identity of public officials to swindle individuals, branding it a direct attack on the integrity of public figures. My viewers and subscribers, you hear what this man has to know? The Transport Authority boss says scammers posing as him to swindle people, and everybody should be aware. You have to be aware of this, You really have to be aware of this, what is happening right now. You see, and remember they say a digital them thing there. So I want to know how all them is me I go work now, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know how all these things is going to work. Simit said he was recently informed that scammers are using his identity to contact people and trick them into believing that the Transport Authority is having an auction to dispose of brand new vehicles stationed at Kingston Wharves. When I hear them something, I know, hey, listen, you need to just be aware. You need to be aware on the lookout. Can you hear what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying? He has been informed that scammers are using his identity to contact people and trick them into believing that the Transport Authority is having an auction to dispose of brand new vehicles. Boy, all of them are something I can be all set up, Because so it sound to me. Because if people are using, you know what? Just be aware. Just be aware. All of the taxi driver them, everybody will have car, bus, bike, anything want to have. Just be careful. You understand? And depend the lookout. My wisdom warriors, know say the opposition leader, Mark Golding, made several stops today. Yes, man, him going to the community and visit mothers, elderly mothers. Yes, man, and give them little basket and yes, man, and show them appreciation. And I think this was very good. It was a good idea to do something like this because as well, you have a lot of elderly persons don't even have people to support them. They don't even get support. So when I see Mark Golding doing something like this, it touching. It touching, and I said I'm going to share it with you guys because everybody knows today Mother's Day. Let me say happy Mother's Day again to my good body ladies them right there. So yes, happy Mother's Day to you guys. Listen, you don't have to have a child, You do not have to have a child to say you're a mother because a lot of persons don't have child, but they help raise a child. You understand me? So I just want to big up everybody. I want to big up Mark Golden for what he did, actually going in the community and, you know, showing love and support. So I'm going to take in this.
Where my grandfather come from, my grandfather. His name was Levy, Logan Levy.
I think I hear that name.
He's a doctor, man. He became the doctor at Sablamar Hospital. He was in charge at Sablamar Hospital. But that was when he was bigger, you know. Yeah. So my mother is Patricia Levy. She's 92. Yeah, I'm going to check her when I'm done with this. I'm going to say, yeah. Yes, man. Good to see you though, Miss Ivy. I'm blessed of yourself.
I'm glad to see each and every one, not me alone.
That's good. Sarah is here. You know Miss Sarah.
Everyone.
All right. Okay. Everyone.
I will be
Yeah.
No, she's
Wow. Well, we originated in the same place. Up in Cambridge, St. James.
Where you, Mila? Cambridge?
Where my grandfather come from. My grandfather. His name was Levy. Happy Mother's Day.
Yes, sir.
And we have, well, there's this beautiful basket from your counselor.
Yes, sir.
Who will continue to be your counselor.
Yes, sir.
Because we have the thing locked.
Yes, sir.
And I also have a plaque for you.
Thank you very much.
From your party leader.
Thank you for coming,
Yes,
sir.
my
Thank you very much for coming. Yes. Words cannot express
Yes.
how grateful I am today to see that I'm recognized by this party that I started when I was about 15 with Edna Manley.
Woo! Edna.
Yes.
Wow.
The Norman Manley wife.
Hi.
Yes.
She came in this year.
Right here, Mr. Manley was the candidate.
Yeah.
Reinforcement now appearing. Victory is yours.
And yours. And yours. Yes, mama.
So my wisdom warriors, you see that? Yeah, man, me like things like this. Me like how him go out in the community and show them some love. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I see something pop up in the article and it get my attention. And I say, you know what? Me have to come talk about this, you know. Yes, man. I have to come and talk about this. I really have to come and talk about this because this no look good at all. Princess Margaret Hospital probing circumstances surrounding the councillor death. The management of Princess Margaret Hospital in St. Thomas has launched a probe into the circumstances surrounding the death of councillor for the Morant Bay Division, Rowan Bryan, at the facility earlier this month. Una hear that? Una hear that, my wisdom warriors? Okay. People's National Party parish manager for St. Thomas, Philip Palwell, told the news on May 1st that the councillor's death was as a result of a heart condition. Yeah? Okay. So the paper say Philip Palwell came out and said the councillor death was a result of a heart condition. However, on saying that, the Princess Margaret Hospital is basically them investigate this. This is what they're doing. Yeah? Investigate them and investigate this here. My viewers and subscribers. So we don't know what really I go down. We don't know if I negligent. We don't really know what seriously. But something not right. Something really not right about this. When you see the hospital is probing circumstances surrounding the councillor's death. When I see them do something like that, my wisdom warriors, something in a something. Something in a something, but you have some article is saying how you have a history of heart condition and stuff like that. But are the right thing them are doing? It's the right thing they are doing. Something not right. You hear me? So what me I go do, me I go try to get more information on this. And me I go keep talking about this. This not going to just be like we just come once and that's it. I'm going to talk about this because I want to hear, I want to see what happened. Remember they said them probing the search, them a search basically, them a investigate. So I must something in a something make you see them do all of this, my viewers and subscribers. A hospital now go just get up and say them go do that. We understand it has to be something. It has to be something. And this is, it is just sad. It is just sad. But tell me what you think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. I just want to say rest in peace to him, and my condolence goes out to the family. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. Run over to my TikTok and my IG. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless up on a nice clean self again. One love.